Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to open any PDF file with Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. So if you want to open your PDF file with any one of these browsers, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So select your PDF file, make a right click on your PDF file and then click on Properties. Now under the General tab, here you can see the option which says Opens with. In my case, Adobe is selected over here. So click on Change, and then if you want to open any PDF file with Microsoft Edge, select Microsoft Edge, then click on OK. Now, next time when you make a double click on any PDF file, it will open with Microsoft Edge. So click on Apply, then click on OK. Now, if you want to change it to Mozilla Firefox, select Firefox, then click on OK. Now, next time when you open any PDF file, it will open with Firefox. Click on Apply, then click on OK. Now, if you want to change it to Google Chrome, you can select Google Chrome from the list, then click on OK, Apply, OK, and if you open this PDF file, so it will open with Google Chrome. So whichever browser you're selecting, it will open with that particular browser. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.